Have you ever attended a motivational workshop, like for getting motivation? Or have you ever got motivated by YouTube or Instagram? Because each second there is new content through which we get motivated. But tell me something, till what extent this motivation stays? Like for 1 hour, or maybe for one day, or maybe 1 week, maximum 1 week. What after that? Do you still stay motivated? I don't think so. And that's the exact motive which I have for this video. Like, I don't want to motivate you for 1 hour or for one day or for 1 month. I want all of you by the end of this video to be disciplined. I want all of you to be disciplined at your work, to be disciplined at your routine, and anything you want to be disciplined in. Because I'm a great believer of keeping discipline over motivation. Because I believe that once discipline is made in your life, once discipline is set, there is no end to it. Like, then no one can stop you from achieving things in your life. When we talk about discipline, discipline for me is when your mindset comes with execution. And these are the main two factors which we are going to discuss in this video. When we talk about mindset, I feel like there are two main mindsets which one needs to have in their lives to be disciplined. In which the first one which we are going to discuss is focus. Focus is a game changer. Like, yes, it is. Whenever it comes to discipline, focus is the most important one. And whenever in your life you're not able to achieve anything, or you're not able to do certain thing, then I feel like it's because lack of focus. And this lack of focus happens due to two reasons. The first one is lack of interest. So for example, you're doing a certain thing and you're just forcing yourself to do that just because you want to get something after completing it. But is it gonna happen? I don't feel like it will happen. Forcing yourself is not the solution to achieve things in your life. You should be actually interested in doing that thing. If you'll not be interested, you'll have lack of focus, and फिर at the end वो चीज ऐसे भी नहीं होगी. So make sure that whenever you are doing something, or whenever you want to achieve something in your life, make sure that you are interested in that topic, or you are interested in that work, and then only you would be able to achieve it. The second factor which I feel like is responsible for lack of focus is distractions. Like, this one literally interferes in each and every situation of your life, and especially when you try to focus on something, you get easily distracted by your work. So for example, if you're doing your work and in between you just think that, oh, I should scroll up for 15 minutes and then I'll get fresh and I'll just take this break and I'll then complete my work. But will you be able to focus on your work? Will you be able to complete that work? I don't think so, because the 15 minutes, the content which you are consuming will get repeated in your head whenever you'll get back to your work. And it will not happen, because you feel like that you are taking a break and you will get freshen up and afterwards you will complete that work. I don't feel so. नहीं होगा, and उसके वजह से आपका फोकस कम होता है, because your brain will be more focused on that 15 minutes content which you consume. So that is why it's very important to stick to your work. First complete that and then try to do something else. And this happens with lot of people. And sometimes ऐसे होता है कि हम हमारा काम कर रहे हैं and our friend just gives us a call and they are like, we'll go there, this and there, and you are like, you postpone your work. Why? Is it more important? I don't feel so. Like, getting distracted like this by the people in your life, I feel like, no, guys, don't do it. At the cost of your work, just firstly complete your work and then go outside wherever you want to go. And that's how you become focused in your work. Because if you will do it now, if you will say like, okay, I'll just complete it afterwards, you're procrastinating it. And again your mind is adapting that thing. फिर next time आप जब बैठोगे, आपका mind आपको पहले ही बोल देगा, signal दे देगा कि ये नहीं होने वाला है, because you keep on saying those things to your brain. So don't act this way. It's very important to have focus, and if you want to achieve something in your life, then please do these things. The second mindset is dedication. I love this one. I strongly believe that dedication is that commitment which we give to ourselves, in which we can give our whole time, we can give our whole efforts and full energy into it to make it work. And that's how you achieve things in your life. And I believe that once you have dedication in your life, you don't need to do some extra things to be disciplined. Once you are dedicated, discipline comes with it. Because if someone will ask me to complete a script or complete your editing like at literally 3 a.m. in the morning, I will complete it. I won't look up to time. What time is it? I'd complete it then and there because I love that. I'm dedicated towards it. And that's how strongly dedication works. If you will have that strong purpose behind anything you do, there is no one that will stop you, okay? So be dedicated if you want to achieve anything in your life, if you want to do something which you love, and anything, just be dedicated. That was all about mindset. But now you still might be thinking that okay, we get it, like we know now, we need to have that mindset, we need to have interest, sense of purpose. We agree to it, but still we are not able to do it, and that's because you're not executing it properly. And that is our second factor, which is execution. When it comes to execution, I feel like mainly there are two types of executions which you need to have in your life so that you can be disciplined. In that, the first execution is your daily routine execution. By this execution, I mean that take care of yourself. I mean, just take care of your mind, your heart, your health, your body. Take care of it. It's very important. And on this, I've already made some videos on the healthy habits which you should have to be healthy or to be positive. So you can go and watch that. I'll just link them in my description. But the one thing which I would like to tell you is that, guys, if you have strong things in your life to do, like if you have that strong things which you want to achieve, and if your health is not good, like your mind is full of negativity, where your health is not well, you always have something in your life to be worried about, to go hospitals, this and that. If you'll not take care of all of these things, then how are you going to achieve your goals in your life? You will not be able to achieve it. And that is why it's important to look after your surrounding. I always say this because I strongly believe that your surrounding actually defines you. Like, your surrounding is the great factor which highly impacts on your way of thinking, on your way of acting. So it's very important to look after all of these things. Just stay away from that negativity. Just protect your energy. Just don't do something, or just don't get involved into something where you know that your mind will get destroyed, where you will get so disturbed that you will not be able to focus on the things which you want to do or to achieve those. So please take care of it. The next execution is our work execution. So what usually happens is that it's all in our mind. We all think about doing our work, and then we think that okay, so we'll do it, we'll get disciplined with it, and we'll achieve it. But if you are not doing that work execution properly, it's not gonna happen, and hence you'll not be disciplined in doing it, and hence you'll not end up in achieving it. So for that, I have some advices so that you can execute your work properly. The first advice is to have a clear plan. Planning is very important thing in your life, guys. It's very important. Like, what happens is that we usually have it in our head. Like, okay, so we want to do this, and at the same time you're thinking about the other thing which you want to do. No, this doesn't work according. You need to have a clear plan of what things you want to do, of what things you want to achieve. Once you decide that, you need to decide that what you need to do to achieve those things. Make a clear plan, because everything is in our head. Our head doesn't know what things to do. So have a clear plan and then work according to it. The second advice is to prioritize. Like, I want all of you to make a list of the tasks which you want to complete and prioritize it. Like, what's your priority? And then set a deadline to it. Because when we don't set a deadline for completing our work, then we feel like we have all the time in this world, which we don't have. So when you'll set a deadline for your particular task, you'll be actually be able to, completing it. And also one more advice in this, which I would love to give you, is that stick to one thing at a time. Because when you're doing 4 to 5 things at the same time, you're not able to focus. Your focus is getting divided. So the result of it is nothing. You're not going to get anything, and hence you will not be able to complete those tasks. So stick to one thing, stick to one plan, stick to one goal, set a deadline and complete it. It's a more convenient way, and it's a more easier way to execute your work. And once you will execute this work, you will have discipline in your work routine. So that was all about this video, guys. I hope that you have learned a lot from this video, and now you'll be finally disciplined in your life. Guys, discipline is so important. You need to have it in your life. You need to work according to it. Because if you'll not have discipline, you'll not be able to achieve things in your life. And what's worse than this, right? So yeah, I hope that you have enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Till then, bye-bye.